Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today I want to talk about how to make a recording of a simulation you've done in ProteusDS. So I have some sample results here of the softs mooring, the full ocean depth oceanographic mooring, and in PostPDS loaded up and all ready to go here. And what we want to do is just make a quick video for the purposes of communicating what's going on for use in a presentation or any other such thing. So there's a couple of things you can do. There are some third-party options that will make this process pretty straightforward for you. If you're looking for a commercial version, there's a company called TechSmith that makes a very easy to use tool called Snagit that works really well. And this is very straightforward to use. You open it up and go to click capture, and when you go capture, it shows you can automatically pick the window area that you've got, and that's exactly what I want. And away you go, and you can start recording. Now I don't actually want to record anything, I just want to demonstrate that that's what you can do with it. Now it's a commercial version, it's relatively inexpensive, and some of you may be looking for another alternative, and I wanted to show this one that I learned about called OBS Studio that's freely available on multiple platforms. So after you download it, I do definitely recommend you check out under Help, Guides and Help, there's a Getting Started guide and a Quick Start guide here that helps you get up and running. The settings here that are pretty straightforward. You pick optimized for recording, and then you'll need to add a source to it and set up your audio. And I'll show you how to do this. So we have OBS Studio here. So we're going to pick optimized just for recording. Go next, and the output file here is going to be HD. You can, of course, adjust that if you want to, and then we're going to go next and apply settings. So the tricky thing about OBS is that you have to pick a source first, so we'll pick source. And what we want to do here is you can do window capture and just go OK, and it's automatically detected that we've got this PostPDS window there, which is great. So we'll go OK. Now the only thing that's a little bit tricky is you can kind of scale this accordingly, but as you can see, it doesn't quite have that exact HD sizing, so you can kind of manually adjust that a little bit like this. That's looking pretty good and filling up the canvas there. Now what you do is, oh yeah, one thing you might want to do is under settings, you may want to turn off your microphone. So we'll just go disabled here and disabled here for the desktop computer audio. Don't want that to record as we're doing this. What you do is then go start recording, and what you will find is it's going to save the output in your under output. You'll see that it's going to be under this recording path, and as soon as you stop recording, you'll find your video in there. So you can change the format. There's different algorithms that compress the video in different ways. Play around with it, find something that works for you, and yeah, it's fairly straightforward to make a video, and you just play PostPDS back while it's recording, and it'll save the video for you. All right, hopefully this helps you, and it gives you a couple of options for a quick way to make a video from your ProteusDS simulation results. Thanks for watching.